In this class, you will hear young children speaking Spanish and English.
I need some more glue for this.
This is the office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools' highly rated dual language program at the Lighthouse for Children. It is for preschool students ages 3 to 5.
What we offer here is a 50-50 program, which we do provide some support in English language development, but also give that component of the Spanish language.
Some of these children come from homes where Spanish is spoken. Others come into the classroom with no Spanish at all. But like little sponges, they are soaking up the language.
Puedes poner otra cosa allí, mira.
Their capacity to learn at a young age and learning another language is great in the first 5 years.
Oh, we can do racetrack.
Oh, sí, para los trenes.
Master teacher Maritza Ceballos is passionate about teaching young children a second language. She knows what it's like to enter a classroom not speaking or understanding the language.
I felt very lost. I felt very confused, alone, and it was just kind of scary and, overall until I was able to capture some words, until I was able to, get some support.
Ceballos, who teaches at the Lighthouse for Children, believes it takes a special kind of teacher to help students who are learning a language they are not familiar with.
And it takes a lot of passion to be able to support them, to recognize that they need the support, and just have the compassion and being able to, setting up that foundation at an early age.
She has worked with the Fresno Language Lab to develop a learner's toolkit that is being used statewide for those who teach dual language learners.
I want to help others understand the importance of, supporting home language so that the children feel comfortable, and just so that the teachers understand, how important it is for the children.
Research shows that students in dual language programs have greater success in school, and it boosts their problem solving and listening skills. There is also the added benefit of having students being bilingual.
Puedes peinarlo.
They're not just going to be, learning about their culture. They might be, exposed to a different culture that they were not aware of, and just kind of learn to love others' cultures and just kind of all be united.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.